This is the newly released Kato F3B with the ESU factory installed by Kobo. I showed you the pictures of the insides, and here it is on the track. Sounds pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with it. I got it kind of as an experiment. I wanted to see how they installed it, which looks pretty easy to duplicate. I mean, they shaved down that high weight section at the rear of the F3B. Now here it is. I'll do it back a little bit in reverse. Pretty good sound. I'm impressed with it. I'm going to remove the Western Pacific shell, and I'll probably put a Santa Fe or one of my other F3Bs on it. So, anyway, just wanted to show it to you. I pre-ordered it, so I got a pretty decent discount for it. But anyway, that's all for now. Bye.